Welcome back everyone. iOS 13.6 came out yesterday and it actually brought that really cool feature of digital car keys. So I'll go ahead and break it down exactly how to get it set up. Now I don't have a car that supports this, but I'll try my best to explain it to you guys. But the process is pretty straightforward. So you need to have a car that supports this specific keyless kind of entry, and right now BMW is really the only people who have made cars as of this point, but if you're watching this like a couple years down the line, that could easily change. So right now the 2020 models that are produced after July 1st, so you have to have like a brand new BMW, like ones that just came out, have this type of feature. So the BMW series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, X5, X6, X7, X5M, X6M, or Z4. If you have any of those BMWs, then you should be able to use this type of tutorial in order to actually have your digital key set up. And if you have an Apple Watch, which is on a watchOS 5 or above, you can actually get this supported too, which is really cool. So what you want to do is you want to grab your iPhone and you want to put it next to the vehicle's door handle. And I'm reading this from a website, and I'll leave this from a gadget, and I'll leave a link down below. And from there, all you have to do is wait until you gain entry from the device, and then there's usually a Qi wireless charger in the center of the car or wherever it is, and all you want to do is place your iPhone on that specific Qi wireless charger, and then from there you want to hit the ignition button, turn your car on, and then from there phone will pretty much be synced up with that specific car, and that's really pretty much the process. There's really not much more to it. Now if you want to get access to your car keys, you can go into your wallet app, which I have here, and you should be able to see your car keys and everything from here. Also your watch would have access to, so in case you lose your phone, you can still use it with your watch. But on top of that, as long as you have your phone, even if it's dead, you might still be able to go and unlock your car. Most iPhones still have a reserve power of about a couple hours, so you can technically, have your phone die and still use that feature, which is really cool. So that's a huge feature. That's something I really do like. So digital car keys, that's pretty much how to get it set up. If you want to use it, you just need to make sure you have your iPhone on you and unlock your car that way. A digital car key should be within your wallet app as soon as you get that set up. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.